Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create a main menu in your Roblox. So when the player joins, they have a menu here with a button, a play button, maybe a credits and the settings button. So to do this, we have to go here in starter GUI and add here a screen GUI, which we have to name it main menu UI. Inside this main menu UI, we will have to add here a frame. Okay, and we will have to name it main frame. We will have to change his size to 1,0,1,0 and make the background transparency 1. And here will be the frame where we are going to add buttons and other frames. So let's add here a text button. Let's put it on the center, something like this. Let's change his text to play, enable text scaled, let's make it white, change his font to Freedoka 1 and add here a white stroke and make it maybe okay, like this, 3. Let's go back to text button and we will have to change his background color to maybe this one or whatever you like. Okay, so I will copy the background color, add here a new white stroke. I will have to change here apply stroke mode from contextual to border, paste here the color, make it a little darker, something like this, and change the thickness to 5. So it should look something like this. Now let's add here an Y corner, let's make it 12. So the final button would look something like this. And of course let's change his name to play button. Now let's duplicate this button, move it here a little bit down. We have to change his background color to maybe, okay, I like this yellow. We have to copy it, go to the stroke where we see the color, paste it here, make it a little darker, and we have to change the text from it to credits, and of course the name right here, credits button. And let's add here a text label where here it will be the game name. Let's size it so it fits well, something like this. Let's change the text from it to, let's say, escape school hobby. Now we have to enable text scaled, make it white. We will have to change the font to Freedoka 1 and make the transparency background to 1. We will have to add here a white stroke and let's make it the thickness 3, something like this. Okay, let's size it a little bit, make it to look like this, make sure it's on the center, and let's select all the buttons with the text, all things that are in the main frame, and let's make sure they are on the center, so something like this. Now we will have to add here in lightning a blur, and let's change the size of the blur to 18. So let's close this. Now we'll have to add here in the play button a local script, and here we will do the whole things. So when I press the play button, it will everything will disappear, and the blur effect will disappear, and this is why. and also we will add an animation. So let's start scripting, and also we will find the script in the description. And this is the first script. Let's close it and test it in game to see if it works. Okay, so we are in game, and when we press the play, it should close the Y and the blur, but let's check the console to see where the problem is. So this one is, and it is here, blur twin. Oh, we had to put a blur effect, not blur twin, my bad. Let's stop the game and edit. Okay, so let's change here to blur effect, and let's test again the game. Okay, and now it should work. So when I press play, the Y disappears through an animation and the blur is down. Okay, so now that everything is working fine, thank you guys for watching till the end of the video. Hope everything worked fine for you too. If you want additional parts for this tutorial, like how to do a settings frame that we will have in main menu, just comment me and I will make a second part if you are interested in it. And I will see you again in a few days with a new tutorial.